Why hello, and welcome back to the channel. I caved, and I did something I shouldn't have done. I got the Rode Wireless Go 2. But let's be sensible about this. Let's remember that cameras are not audio recording devices. This is. Let's see what's in the box. This feels vaguely familiar. That was a little bit more dignified. Okay. Firstly, you're hit with a lot of cables. So you got the TRS cables, a USB-C cable, another USB-C cable, and look, a USB-C cable. Oh, and a carrying pouch. Look at that. Nice little wind muff. Do not eat. Okay, so you get 3 of these muff things. The microphones and the receiver. I also got this on the side because this did not come with it. The MagClip Go. Insanely expensive for what it is, but it could be very, very useful. That's one strong magnet. There was a bit of a promotion when I bought these microphones, so I also got this club that you can use to hit people over the head with if they try to take your mic. No, wait, that's not right, is it? Oh, I see. This is the Interview Go with a foam muff so that you can use them as a regular microphone. Fantastic. Now I just have to figure out what all of these things do. So I'll see you in the next one, where we run the very important test with all previous microphones. See you then.